We at Syntegon know that our performance is the key to your success. So let the numbers speak for themselves. 64,000 machines installed and running in 140 countries. Leading in more than 30 segments of the pharmaceutical and food industry. Your reliable partner for standalone machines, systems and services in 30 locations around the globe. (1,100 service experts worldwide. 1.3 billion euros total revenue. More than 2,000 registered patents ensure intelligent and sustainable technologies. (150 years of experience. (6,100 passionate employees. With one mission: processing and packaging for a better life. Syntegon. Processing and packaging.